babies doing today? So today your girl's all done up because I have a photo shoot. So we are doing a photo shoot and it's gonna be 3 photographers, and I figured why not make this one of those 3 photographers 1 model challenge type vibes. So you know, little friendly competition. I watch those videos all the time. I think the girl's name is Sarah or something with an S. I'll include the name of her page here. So this is where we get the idea from. But basically, we're gonna do 2 outfits, potentially 3, but probably just 2 outfits, and the 3 different photographers are gonna do their own take and spin on angles, photos, all of that, and then I'll show you guys the 3 and you can vote on who you think nailed it or who had the best photo for each outfit. So I think it's gonna be a cool video. Hopefully I can get my angles right, you know. Ain't no double chin up in here. I can look tall, you know, at least taller than 4'11", you know, all that jazz. And I want to point out, because I was told to tell you guys that these photographers are not professionals. They're just persons that are interested in photography and just want to practice and play around and, you know, do things that photographers do. Alright guys, so let us meet the photographers. Okay, ready? Intros. Who's first? Who's first?
Me? Yeah. Hey guys, Kevin Simpson here.
I didn't care.
I'm Green Walker.
Alright, so these guys are gonna take all of the cool photos today, right? Are we excited?
Over, yes, bubbling over.
Alright.
Can't contain it.
Here's a fit, y'all. Oversized white shirt, belted, grunge with the boots. Not the boots. No. The boots. You mean knowing the boots? you're dumb. I shouldn't be here. I shouldn't be here. Like, whoa. Like, y'all come on. Did y'all know my hair could like take like so much? Hey, whoa. That black natural hair, that black curly big hair was holding me back. Oh. It was holding me back. But now your girl's elevated and blonde and having more fun.
After the break, just as you had them before in terms of the shot? Yeah, awesome. Bring.
Okay. So we're doing the movements first?
Yeah, we're doing the movement.
Okay.
So,
getting instructions.
Let me see what this is going to do.
Photoshoot!
Yeah, come on. Yeah.
Alright guys, we just finished up the first look.
Yeah. Pew, 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 pew. It's on fire, guys. It's on fire. Completely lit. Can't wait to show you guys the shots.
So we just finished the first look. I'm going to change now into the second outfit. Your girl's getting hot.
And touch up.
And touch up. Oh, I didn't remember that there was a sprinkler there. Me gotta walk through it, you know, because. So that was the first look. I think it went good. I think the boots and all that came together with the outfit to make it, you know, Nice. So now I'm gonna change. Alright guys, so here is the second outfit. The star of the show is really the scarf that I'm gonna wear in my head, you know, like a nice 80s rich woman, my husband takes care of me vibe.
Nice.
That's what we're going for. And I changed the color, the shade red lip, and added a little bit gloss to make it, you know, a little bit more flirty, because you know, my husband and all. So,
alright, we get out to the outfit. Show them the outfit.
Here's my outfit, barring my shoes because your girl ain't walking in them heels. But you know, headed to brunch. Daddy's calling me.
Gotta go.
Gotta go.
Alright, we're on to the second location, which is this gazebo thing. So let us see what these guys come up with.
Yeah, good. Yeah, look at me.
I know she good to go with herself. So we have 3 photographers trying. 1, 2, 3. And this shot.
Girl, I've been holding this pose.
Oh,
I've
Jesus.
been holding this pose. I'm trying to remember the go.
The rest show them now.
Trying to go from this to.
Nice. The after nicey. The after nice.
Is it after nice?
The after nice. Whoa.
Alright, can I breathe now?
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
I wish it would let me go so I could be great.
Ooh, can't find the toe because I am.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Your face look weird. Like my mind got dirty a while ago.
Wow.
when you say let's go, let's go. Vogue and Vogue and Vogue and Vogue and yes and yes.
Y'all see my vision with the scarf? I told you I'm going for brunch with my husband.
See you later, honey. Bye.
The ex-Benedicts are calling me.
No problem.
That's a wrap, guys.
That's a wrap.
Guys, I got it.
Guys, we had to record that a second time and make it feel real. Did it feel real? That's a wrap. We're done. It's over. So we finished up both looks, different locations. All 3 photographers did their thing. Now it's time for you guys to see the finished products and then vote who won for each outfit and overall who you think the winner is. Ready? Leave your comments below. Is it Dwayne? Is it? Where's that in? Where's that in? Where's that in? Is it Adane? Or, oh my God, Kevin, don't walk so fast, I'm in heels. Or is it Kevin? Tell me in the comments, guys, who you think won. Alright, tell us how today was, how you think you did. You got your shots.
Today was a fantastic day.
Woo!
We had, I think it was quite easy for us to get great shots. The model was on point.
Oh,
yeah, I mean, you know, as soon as the camera is up, she is ready to go. The makeup was on point, the outfits were on point. It was an awesome day.
wow.
Let's not forget the videographer. She was kind of...
Okay! Okay! We know we always have Mikal back here.
Yeah, so all round fun day. Wonderful.
Alright, off the top of your head, which one of the photos or the locations or the outfits you think is gonna be your favorite?
I think this outfit in the gazebo, I got a few shots there that again set up that are gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's the same for me. This outfit at the gazebo, especially with the guitar prop that Kevin brought in. Have one that I really am looking forward to.
Nice. What about you, Dwayne?
Yeah, it's a hard choice actually, and so I'm still tossing between both outfits, both locations. But admittedly, the guitar over by the gazebo
was a good prop.
Really...
And on that note, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe now, y'all. Like, I recorded a whole photo shoot for y'all. Come on, subscribe. I ain't asking for much. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!